Have you ever wondered why some people in their 80s can still move around with surprising ease, walking briskly, tending their gardens, and staying active every day, while others begin struggling with joint pain not long after turning 60? Could it be that they've discovered a simple secret that helps keep their bones and joints flexible even as the years go by? If you've ever felt a quiet ache in your heart watching your parents, people who once seemed strong and tireless, now needing to hold onto the arm of a chair just to stand up, or hesitating before climbing a staircase because their knees tremble with discomfort, then this video is something I'd truly like to share with you and your family. Imagine the joints in an aging body as the gears of a vintage mechanical clock. After decades of constant movement, the natural lubrication inside those gears, known as synovial fluid, gradually decreases. When that protective fluid becomes thinner, the ends of the bones begin to rub against each other more directly. That friction can create stiffness, cracking sounds, and the familiar aches many people feel when they move. But the pain doesn't only affect the body. Over time, it can make older adults hesitant to stay active. They may walk less, move less, and sometimes even feel as though they are slowly drifting away from the vibrant rhythm of everyday life. Interestingly, years ago when many older adults experienced back pain or stiff knees, they didn't immediately turn to modern medications or medical clinics. Instead, they often relied on simple ingredients from nature. One traditional remedy that quietly appeared in many home kitchens involved a humble herb known internationally as Paederia foetida. Sometimes called skunkvine, people would cook the leaves with eggs in a simple pan dish, or crush the leaves to extract their juice and drink it. When I was younger, I thought it was simply an old-fashioned home recipe. But after learning more from the perspectives of nutrition science and modern health research, I realized that this modest plant actually contains several valuable bioactive compounds that may help support joint health. In today's video, we'll explore this fascinating herb, Paederia foetida, a familiar plant that many people overlook, yet one that carries surprising scientific value. Before we begin, if you find content like this helpful for the health of you and your family, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the Healthy Living Everyday channel. And one important note, the information in this video is intended for educational purposes and for supporting healthy habits at home. It combines traditional wellness practices with insights from modern nutrition science. However, these methods should never replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment from a qualified healthcare provider, especially in cases of serious health conditions. Now, let's explore together why such a simple handful of leaves could become a small but meaningful secret that helps many older adults maintain flexible, comfortable movement throughout the years. Have you ever wondered how something as simple as a handful of humble garden leaves could sometimes support the body in ways that even expensive medications don't always achieve? It may sound surprising at first, but when you understand what's happening inside the body, the idea begins to make perfect sense. Let's imagine something very simple. The joints in an older adult's body are a lot like the hinge on a door that has been opening and closing for decades. In the beginning, the hinge moves quietly and smoothly, but over time, the lubricant dries out, the metal begins to wear, and tiny particles of dust and rust start to collect in the narrow gaps. Eventually, every time the door moves, the hinge creaks loudly and feels stiff. Human joints go through a very similar process. As people age, the amount of synovial fluid gradually decreases, cartilage becomes thinner, and inflammatory reactions begin to appear. As a result, something as ordinary as taking a step can start to feel like real effort. This is where an interesting natural process may begin. When the herb Paederia foetida enters the body, it can act almost like a quiet maintenance system for that aging hinge. First, The plant contains several natural bioactive compounds, particularly alkaloids and a compound known as Paederin, that may help calm inflammatory activity inside the joints. Inflammation is often the hidden reason joints become swollen, warm, and painful. When these compounds begin to work, they act almost like a small firefighting team, helping cool the slow-burning fire inside the joint. As the inflammatory response settles down, swelling can ease and discomfort may gradually become less noticeable. One advantage of this process is that it tends to work gently within the body. For older adults, who often have more sensitive digestive systems, natural approaches like this may sometimes be easier to tolerate than stronger pain medications. Once the inflammatory fire is under control, the body can move into another important stage, clearing out accumulated waste. In joints affected by degeneration, metabolic byproducts, tiny mineral crystals, and inflammatory fluids can gradually build up. Think of it like grains of sand getting inside the ball bearings of a machine. Every movement causes those particles to rub against the cartilage surface, slowly increasing damage over time. At this stage, the naturally occurring sulfur-containing compounds found in Paederia foetida may play a supportive role. These compounds can assist the body's metabolic and detoxification processes, helping remove certain unwanted byproducts through the body's elimination systems. As these waste materials are gradually cleared away, pressure inside the joint may decrease. The heavy, tight sensation many people feel around their knees can become lighter, and walking may begin to feel more comfortable again. But perhaps the most important stage comes next: nourishing and lubricating the joints. The leaves of Paederia foetida contain vitamin C, calcium, and a range of natural antioxidants. Vitamin C is well known not only for supporting the immune system, but also for playing a key role in the production of collagen, the structural protein that helps form the cushioning cartilage within joints. When the body has enough of the nutrients needed to produce collagen, the protective padding at the ends of the bones can gradually become stronger and more resilient. At the same time, the plant's natural essential oils may help stimulate the synovial membrane to produce more synovial fluid, the body's natural lubricant that allows bones to glide smoothly against each other. When both the cushioning cartilage and the lubricating fluid begin to improve, the grinding or cracking sounds that sometimes occur when standing up or walking downstairs may become less noticeable. In their place, movement can begin to feel smoother and more flexible. Pharmacological studies have also suggested that Paederia foetida contains a range of antioxidant compounds capable of neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that accelerate the aging process in bone and cartilage cells. This means the plant may not only help the body repair existing stress within the joints, but may also support the slowing of natural age-related degeneration. So when you add this herb to a meal for your parents or grandparents, it may be helpful to think of it as a gentle but consistent way of caring for their joint health. It isn't a miracle that works overnight, but when used properly and consistently as part of a balanced diet, it can act like a team of skilled mechanics quietly restoring an old hinge. And perhaps, after some time, you may notice something wonderful: your parents walking through the park again, tending to a few plants in the yard, or moving with steadier steps and greater confidence, without needing someone to support them. My friend, if you truly want this humble herb, Paederia foetida, to support joint health for older adults, the key is not only the plant itself, but also the way we use it. For generations, many traditional home remedies relied on surprisingly simple methods. They weren't complicated herbal formulas or elaborate treatments. Instead, they were everyday foods prepared in thoughtful ways. Meals that quietly nourished the body while gently supporting joints that had carried us through decades of movement. One of the most common preparations is a simple herb and egg skillet dish. At first glance, it may look like nothing more than a modest home-style breakfast. But when you understand the nutritional science behind it, the combination actually makes a lot of sense. Start with a small handful of fresh Paederia foetida leaves. Choose vibrant leaves and rinse them thoroughly before chopping them very finely. Cutting the leaves into small pieces helps release the plant's natural essential oils, allowing the body to absorb its beneficial compounds more efficiently. The chopped leaves are then mixed with eggs and a small amount of finely minced ginger. Eggs provide high-quality protein and lecithin, which help transport nutrients throughout the body. Ginger, on the other hand, has warming properties and is well known for helping stimulate blood circulation and easing the sensation of stiffness or cold joints that many older adults experience. What makes this dish especially appealing is its simplicity. It doesn't require heavy frying or excessive oil. Using a non-stick skillet, you can gently cook the mixture over low heat until the eggs are lightly golden and set. When enjoyed as part of breakfast, this meal provides nourishment while also delivering plant compounds that may help calm joint inflammation and support mobility. When people include it regularly for about 2 weeks, many report that morning stiffness becomes less noticeable and that standing up or taking the first few steps of the day feels easier. For individuals whose joints feel particularly stiff or dry, traditional herbal practices sometimes suggest a slightly stronger approach, drinking a small amount of freshly extracted Paederia foetida juice. To prepare it, the fresh leaves are crushed with a little warm water and then strained to collect the liquid. The drink has a very distinctive aroma, which can take some getting used to. Interestingly, many of the compounds responsible for that smell are also among the plant's most valuable active components. When consumed about 30 minutes after a meal, this herbal juice may help support the body's natural detoxification processes and encourage biological responses that allow joints to move more smoothly. The remaining crushed leaves can also be used externally. Instead of discarding the pulp, it can be combined with a small amount of alcohol and gently warmed before being applied to areas of joint discomfort, such as the knees or wrists. The warmth from the alcohol, together with the plant's natural essential oils, may help encourage blood vessel dilation and improve local circulation. As circulation increases, the sharp sensation of joint discomfort may ease, and many people report feeling relief after a short time. However, it's important to remember that joints in older adults have endured decades of movement and wear. They cannot recover overnight. Consistency and patience remain the most important factors. Think of these herbal preparations as a gentle daily habit of care. When the body receives supportive nutrients consistently, the joints can gradually regain strength and flexibility in a natural way. That said, Paederia foetida is still a biologically active herb, and moderation is important. Older adults with sensitive digestion, especially those prone to stomach discomfort or diarrhea, should use it more carefully. Cooking the leaves with ginger or eggs can help balance the plant's cooling properties and make it easier on the digestive system. In rare cases, if someone experiences unusual symptoms such as skin irritation or discomfort after using the herb, it's best to pause and observe the body's response. Additionally, if a family member is preparing for surgery, stopping the use of herbal remedies beforehand is generally recommended to ensure safety during medical treatment. Another important factor is proper cleaning. This plant often grows close to the ground or along fences, and its fine surface hairs can easily trap dust and debris. Before preparing it for older family members, it's best to soak and rinse the leaves thoroughly in lightly salted water to remove bacteria and impurities. When used correctly, in appropriate amounts, and with occasional breaks between periods of use, Paederia foetida can become a supportive companion for joint health. Still, Maintaining gentle daily movement is just as important. Activities like walking, light stretching, or simple joint massage help keep the body flexible and active. Even the best natural remedy works best when combined with regular movement. So today, we've taken a journey from the concern many families feel when aging parents struggle with joint pain, to a simple solution found in a humble plant. Sometimes the most valuable forms of care aren't found in expensive supplements or medications. Instead, they appear in the quiet attention we give our parents and grandparents, through small, thoughtful meals prepared with love each day. If you found this information helpful for the health of your family, please support the Healthy Living Everyday channel by subscribing and turning on notifications so you won't miss future videos about natural wellness and healthy aging. And if you've ever tried using Paederia foetida for someone in your family, feel free to share your experience in the comments so others can learn from it as well. Thank you for spending your time here. Wishing you and your loved ones health, peace, and happiness. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video from Healthy Living Every Day.